Welcome back guys, and in this video I am going to address one issue. If in MI phone the applications apps are not getting installed from Google Play Store, then what will we do? I am going to tell 2-3 things in this video, so not wasting much of our time. If you are new to this channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So first thing I will suggest that go to the apps, go to the settings and then go to the apps and then manage apps and then search for Google Play Store. Okay, and then go to storage here and clear data and clear cache, clear all data. Okay, and now clear cache has been cleared. So this is the first thing, and 99% of your problem will get solved. If after doing this your problem is not getting solved, then if you are try to install app from another Google account, if you are logged in with one Google account, try to install the app from another Google account, logging from another Google account to your phone and then installing the app. That may probably work. If that is also not working, then please see the space availability on your phone. That is also a good reason. So after doing all the things, hopefully your phone will work and you will get rid of this problem. So if you like this video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.